Hello and welcome to Square 72 in one of the most centric areas of Panama City, San Francisco. So let's discover this one-bedroom apartment. Let's take a look. First of all, here is the master bedroom. With a pretty sizable walk-in closet. Here's the bathroom. All the finishings are top quality. This building will have 15 floors and 72 apartments in total. You get a one-bedroom apartment or two-bedroom apartment. It ranges from 49 square meters to 89 square meters. Over here, you get the kitchen with a lot of storage. And your laundry area. This building is created with the smartest technologies because that was very important in the design to cater to clients that are expecting the highest standards. Now let's check out the terrace. You get a 66 square meter terrace. This is very interesting because you don't get this bigger terrace in Panama anymore in a one-bedroom apartment or a two-bedroom apartment. So it is great because you get to spend some time outside. They will have 820 square meters of social areas, a spa, a pet salon, cinema, co-working area, swimming pool, sky lounge, and more. Again, with the highest quality catered to clients of high standards. Now let's go outside and explore the surroundings of Square 72. Located in San Francisco, one of Panama's safest and most desirable districts, known for its vibrant lifestyle and prime location. This puts you right in the center of it all, close to key business districts, main avenues, and the city's most dynamic areas. Let's take a closer look.
So look at that, this is here, right in front of the building, next to it. You have mini markets, you have hair, nail salon, comida rápida, like street food.
You have nearby services and shops, from cozy cafés to traditional Panamanian flavors. This area offers a complete lifestyle.
And the park is right there. Parque Omar is right there. You just go straight and it's like 1, 2, 3 blocks. It's 3 blocks from here, just 5 minutes by car.
From everyday essentials like barbershops to elevated dining experiences like La Pulperia. This neighborhood blends convenience and refined style, right at your doorstep. Developed by UDI, a name synonymous with excellence, Square 72 has been internationally recognized at the prestigious America's Property Awards, earning not one but 2 top honors for Best Apartment Development and High-Rise Living in Central America. Now let's meet the developers behind the vision. UDI Group is an international real estate developer from the Czech Republic with over 30 years of experience. Their portfolio includes projects across Europe in countries like Poland, Hungary, and Serbia, to name a few, where they've delivered more than 100 developments that blend design, technology, and quality. Expanding into Latin America, UDI has begun with Panama and Costa Rica, bringing the same European standards to a new region. Square 72 is part of the vision in Panama, a modern 15-story building created with world-class architecture and the hallmark of UDI excellence. They will also be working on their second building in Panama City. If you love this apartment like I did, and you're interested in more information, don't hesitate to contact us at my second option. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights. See you on the next one. At my second option, we're constantly looking for the best investment and the right fit for you. We are out here walking the land, going to the properties, meeting with developers, checking permits, and building the connections that matter. We operate in Panama, Paraguay, and El Salvador, 3 countries full of opportunity, each with their own rhythm and potential. In Paraguay, we focus on sovereign living, low-cost land, legal residency, and long-term value for those who want peace and security outside the noise. In El Salvador, we guide you through the frontier of freedom, from ocean viewscapes to off-grid living in a country embracing innovation, Bitcoin, and new beginnings. And here in Panama, we bring you options, from tropical villas to city apartments to turnkey Airbnb setups in a country with strong infrastructure, 0% tax on foreign income, embracing cryptocurrency, technology, global access, and an international way of living. We handle everything: second citizenship, relocations, real estate, construction, remodelations, development, legal and accounting advice, property management, and more. We help you establish your business through our network with the best in-house team of lawyers and accountants. We're hands-on, transparent, and always tailored to your goals. Whether you're relocating, investing, or just building a plan B, we help you do it right and do it smart. We are always seeking for the right investment for you. So don't hesitate to contact us. Our WhatsApp link is in the description. Or scan the QR code at the end of the video to connect with us directly. And make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you on the next one.